BM English Speaking Radio Channel presents BM English Word of the Day. My name is Prachati and I am your host for this episode. You are listening to episode number 73 of season 3. Today's word is nevertheless. The meaning of nevertheless is in spite of that, or notwithstanding that, or regardless of, or anyway. With BM English Speaking Radio Channel, learn one new word every day and impress the world. In this English vocabulary lesson, you will learn how to use the word nevertheless. We are sure that this ESL lesson will help you to enhance your English vocabulary and speak English fluently and confidently. Nevertheless is spelled as Nevertheless. Mr. Edwards worked in the Social Welfare Department of the government. He retired at the age of 60. Nevertheless means despite his retirement, he continued to serve the society in his individual capacity till his death. Listen carefully how we can use the word nevertheless in 8 different situations in 8 different sentences. Example number 1 of 8. Nagesh was an actor who did small parts in plays. One day, he requested the director for a lead role. The director was not convinced. Nevertheless, he asked Nagesh to audition for the role. Example number 2 of 8. Pragat Singh was the goalkeeper for Punjab hockey team. Just a day before the finals, he sprained his ankle. Nevertheless, he played the match and proved to be a star in the victory. Wow, his endeavor paid off. Don't you agree? Moving on to example number 3 of 8. Meghna lost her husband when her daughter was very young. Nevertheless, she did not lose hope. She started giving tuitions and saved money for her daughter's education. Example number 4 of 8. AM Medicare Systems launched a mobile app to offer medical advice. The initial response was not very good. Nevertheless, the company continued its efforts and slowly the business picked up. Do you know, when you speak English fluently and confidently, it opens new career opportunities, enhances your confidence, builds your socializing skills, and helps you become a global citizen. To know more about our English fluency courses, log on to our website www.bmconsultantsindia.com. Example number 5 of 8. Kumar was a well-known singer. Last week, he performed in Kolkata. Just before the show, he noticed that the lighting in the hall was not satisfactory. Nevertheless, he sang with great energy and people loved it. Moving on to example number 6 of 8. Shiva was selling local delicacies at his food stall in Goa. The colorful display attracted lot of foreign tourists. Shiva could not communicate in English language. Nevertheless, he managed to earn a good revenue. Example number 7 of 8. Initially, when academic software was introduced in schools and colleges, many teachers were cynical. We know what cynical means, isn't it? Some even opposed the idea. Nevertheless, it gained popularity and is widely used at present. Example number 8 of 8. Today, the Fogart sisters from Haryana in India are known to the world as successful wrestlers. However, during the initial years, they faced a lot of criticism. Nevertheless, they pursued their goal and became champions. Today we learnt the word nevertheless, which means in spite of that, or notwithstanding that, regardless of, or Anyway, can you frame 3 sentences with nevertheless and type in the comments box? We are waiting. We are sure that this lesson has helped to boost your English vocabulary and speak fluent English. You can download the script of this episode and all our episodes from www.bmenglishspeakingradio.in. Stay tuned for new English vocabulary lessons. We are on a mission to train 1 crore Indians in English fluency. This was episode number 73 of 200 BM vocabulary episodes that we have planned. Kindly note that we will be sharing 1 vocabulary episode daily at 6 a.m. Indian Standard Time. So meet you tomorrow at 6 o'clock with a new word. Till then, take care.